Welcome to our guide on navigating the EB-3 ROW timeline, a detailed step-by-step journey through the employment-based third preference category. In this video, we'll cover an introduction to EB-3 ROW, go through the process, address common concerns, discuss possible options and advice, and finally wrap things up. Understanding the EB-3 timeline can definitely be challenging, but having a clear grasp of the foundational steps will greatly aid in navigating this complex process. Let's walk through the steps. The process begins with PERM filing, where your employer demonstrates the lack of available qualified U.S. workers for the position. For example, a PERM might be filed in May 2024. Once approved, the I-140 petition is filed by your employer for your eligibility. This leads us to the Visa Bulletin and Priority Date discussion. The Department of State's monthly Visa Bulletin dictates the cutoff dates, based on when your PERM was filed, i.e. your priority date. Once your priority date is current according to the Bulletin, you may proceed with adjustment of status, if you are in the U.S., or consular processing if outside the U.S. Here's a quick quiz. Which step involves the employer demonstrating that no qualified U.S. workers are available for a position? Your options are PERM filing, I-140 petition, Visa Bulletin, and consular processing. You may pause the video to think about your answer. We'll discuss it in the next section. The correct answer is PERM filing. This step involves the employer demonstrating there are no qualified U.S. workers available for the position. Now let's address some common concerns. Many individuals are worried about the timelines not aligning, especially when their visas are nearing expiration. Understanding these concerns is key to identifying potential solutions. Here are some possible options and advice. Regularly monitoring the Visa Bulletin is crucial to keep track of your timeline. Maintaining legal status ensures that you remain in the U.S. legally until your priority date is current. Consulting with an immigration attorney can provide valuable personalized guidance, and considering a change of status may be necessary if your timeline doesn't align. Additional considerations include ensuring the maintenance of legal status until your priority date becomes current, exploring other pathways such as changing to a valid non-immigrant status if needed, and taking preemptive actions by consulting legal advisors well in advance to avoid any last-minute rushes. To wrap up, understanding the EB-3 process is essential for successful navigation. Regularly monitor the Visa Bulletins and ensure you maintain your legal status. Consulting with an immigration attorney can offer critical guidance, and always be prepared for various scenarios regarding timeline uncertainties. We hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Remember, immigration laws and regulations are constantly evolving. This information is intended as a general guide and should not replace personalized legal advice. It's always best to consult with a qualified immigration attorney for specific cases.